Welcome to Brazil, where a statue watches quietly over a city that never truly slows down. Copacabana's shoreline curves for miles, a rhythm of waves, sand, and everyday life. Iguazu Falls doesn't just fall, it surrounds you, roars, and fills the air with mist. The Amazon stretches beyond what the eye can measure, a green world breathing on its own scale. Brazilian flavors are bold and generous. Smoky picanha, fresh açaí, and coffee strong enough to wake a city. In Salvador, history moves through rhythm and motion, capoeira, drums, and streets that remember everything.
É hora do show, vamos sambar! No ritmo da bateria, a alegria contagia. Carnaval do Rio, a festa do povo. Dança, brilha até amanhecer.
In the Pantanal, wildlife moves at its own pace. A jaguar's quiet steps, a world watching back. Fernando de Noronha feels far from everything. Clear water, dolphins, and silence broken only by waves. From Sugarloaf Mountain, the whole city unfolds below, Rio glowing as the sun goes down. On Rio's sidewalks, music never really stops. Samba carried by hands, strings, and voices. Brazil isn't just a place, it's energy that stays with you long after you leave. Subscribe and join us, a new country every day.